Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode. In today's episode, we're going to be doing some drywall work. We're going to end up taping and doing all the seams. We're going to try to get the corner beads done, around the ceiling corners done, and if we have time, we're going to start texturing. Alright, so why are we texturing the ceilings? There's a lot of imperfections in this old building, in the old plaster and lath. So texture is just a good way to kind of blend those in so we can't see them as much. And on the walls, we're also going to have to do a little bit of texture. I think I'm going to go with a heavy orange peel or a knockdown effect. We'll get to that in a later video. And then where the new drywall is, or where the walls are pretty nice in some rooms, those will obviously be nice and smooth. So the next process is mixing the mud. Let's get to it. So what I've done so far is done the first layer of tape and the first coat over the screws. We did the one corner, the top bead, all these joints, and all the ceiling joints. Now that we got the first coat done on everything, I'm going to let it dry, grab some lunch, start in another room, and then once everything's really dry, come back and do the first top coat. Once that's dry, we get to do a little bit of sanding and do the final coat. Well, I'm back from lunch, and now we're going to start doing the same thing that we did in the kitchen in this office/bedroom area. We're going to tape all the seams, corners, and all the screw heads. So, let's go. Alright everybody, ending another day here at the bar rebuild. What did we get done today? We got the kitchen taped and mudded, we got the office taped and mudded, we also did some patches in the living room and the other kitchen, and we made a mess. I think what slowed us down a little bit today was the 9-foot ceilings. Just going up and down those ladders took me a lot more time than I anticipated. So we didn't get the other bedroom done. That'll be on tomorrow's to-do list. We also got to texture all the ceilings, which should take about 3 to 4 hours. So hopefully we can fit that in our schedule tomorrow. And on top of that, we also got to start getting a finish coat on some of these walls, probably the first of 3 coats. If you're liking these videos, make sure to give us a thumbs up. It helps the channel greatly. Leave a comment in the box below. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you tomorrow. Peace. Well, hello everybody. It's the next day at the bar rebuild. It's 8 o'clock a.m. I'm headed to pick up my father and the dump trailer, and we're gonna take it to the landfill. We have to empty out all the construction debris. The big trailer's completely full, so that's something new, and I'll take you guys along. Enjoy. Nothing is quite as easy as it seems. Truck got stuck, or not really stuck, but wouldn't pull the trailer out of the frozen ground. And now we're trying to get a clear path to get the trailer out. When in doubt, have the Ford pull the Chevy. Now that I'm back at the property, I'm going to show you what I'm going to be working on. Up here, since I'll be texturing the ceilings, you can see where some of the old tape is peeled and bubbled. So that'll all get fixed. There's areas all around the ceiling that have it. So I'll go around the whole edge. Then we also have some cracks in the ceilings. So I'll be scraping, taping, and mudding those, and then blending it out and then retexturing over that. We have this issue in almost every single room throughout, so that's what I'll be working on right now. I'm gonna get to it, and we'll see you in a bit. So far we've got all these corners replaced. Corner there, some cracks here. Unfortunately I have to stop and make a run to the hardware store. Yep, no gas. So I ran out of gas, gotta go fill that up, and then come back and do some more. Alright, so I have all the ceiling taped, feathered out a little bit. So now starts the texturing process. I'm just gonna use some normal mud, mix in some water, dip in an 1.5 or 1.25 inch roller in the mud, and roll it on. So, wish me luck and hope you enjoy. Well, that concludes today. Another day wrapped up here at the bar rebuild. We got everything in here textured. It looks really good. We got several more rooms to do. We have a lot more mudding and drywall finishing to do, but I'm happy with what we got done today. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the box below, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We'll see you again. Peace.